Our project is best preparation of an 70% chocolate bar Edwin with cocoa honey in the municipality of San Vicente de Chucurí. Presented Robinson Monsalve Silva y Jefferson Fabián Sanabria Arpuello.
Objectives: General: To develop for 70% chocolate bar, Theobroma cacao, sweetened with cocoa honey to have ideal value to the faring one barrel. Care to write material and additive to determine their function. Start the process and formulation to develop a 70% chocolate bar with unique and different characteristics. Perform physical, chemical, microsensory analysis to evaluate the quality of 70 chocolate bar.
We promote the sustainable development of San Vicente de Chucurí by positioning its excellent cocoa specialty, the San Vicente 41 variety as a global level.
Vision: Best to the vision the second chocolate brand, recognized for its experience in handling their chocolate coding and use wide product and cocoa process. Celeste, su product is to provide high for while generation and volume.
Branded description: The chocolate bar production process was established as follows: It begins with the reception and quality control the cocoa is resin with and verify that the humidity is at an optimum level at 7%. In addition, a canning test performed the evaluate the degree of fermentation with mash reach 70% to ensure its quality in chocolate.
To the reference sealed and challenge the process the cocoa and peas is the refining and the Sari texture is reached. This process lasts night 24 and 36 hours. Cocoa bar is added and cocoa honey to make the complete refining. And place the mount the cocoa bar. The process of time is to the cool is carrying off and the chocolate bar is dismolded.
Impact: Henry and the value to the cocoa of San Vicente de Chucurí, especially to the SBU 41 variety, given that its sensory properties are of fine cocoa in flavor and the remedy the sin or the contribute to the development of the region.
Analyzing the competition in the market, it can be deduced that the percent of cocoa degrade is economic value. Thank you.